We're facing a climate crisis too hot to ignore. Global temperature rise is on track to exceed 1.5 degrees. And every increment above this level will be felt in lives lost in devastated communities and in damaged infrastructure, particularly, of course, in cities. But we can limit this overshoot. We can support adaptation in vulnerable nations and return to below 1.5 degrees. The solutions are right here. Booming clean energy and mobility, green buildings, rapid cuts in methane emissions, more resilient food systems, and so much more. With the right policies and investments, we can spark positive tipping points that deliver rapid emissions cuts, more climate-resilient societies, and stronger economic growth. So, on this World Environment Day, I call on everyone to act with urgency and determination, and to help build a cooler, safer, and healthier future for all.